Okay, we're going to end this video for today. We got the good, the bad, and the ugly, so we'll take you through all of those. And we've accomplished some more, but we do have some issues we have to deal with. So enjoy the video. Also in this video we did speed up through some of the more boring tasks so we get a more results driven video for you to enjoy. Okay, well, I decided to go ahead and fill these cracks with some wood filler so I get a nice smooth surface when I fiberglass the tape over the top. Probably 24 hours for that to all dry up, and then we'll come back and finish up the fiberglass tape and glass that all up. Okay, now we're going to apply the tape on the lower seam. Okay, now we'll do the same with the top seam. Using this polyester fiberglass resin, 10 drops of liquid hardener to 1 fluid ounce of polyester resin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, looks like my son used my brush, didn't clean it out, so we'll see how this goes. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The aluminum is at least almost complete on the top. Ran into a small hiccup over here. We're going to have to redo things from the trim aspect. Okay, here's our wrap up for today. We've got the trim down to the bottom. We got a bit of a bulge, but when I put the straight bar on, we're going to take the screws out so it can ease out to the side a little bit. And we got our our splice on that side, and then one of our issues is the splice on this side isn't coming together. I think we have a butyl tape issue there. I'm going to try heating it with a heat gun and getting it good and soft. Put another screw in, and I'm going to have to get the hammer and dollies out and kind of finesse the trim right there. I don't want to have to replace that whole trim piece all the way to the back. Okay, that's where we're at right now. Now I have to find somebody to put a bend in this angle bar I have for the bottom. And we're using okay, we got a couple of takeaways from this video. Number one, when you're working with fiberglass, always use a respirator. Usually I'm rolled out in the driveway. I forgot this time, and that's pretty intense when you're working with that stuff. And number two, always wear gloves, because I'll probably be wearing this fiberglass residue for a week, and it's not really good for your hands. Well, another takeaway is just because you're old doesn't mean that you can't build something. So just take a little extra time and get your job done. Thank you for watching. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, or even if you didn't, or comment what you think I could do better, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.